Do you have a Panasonic exit strategy? How will your business be impacted when Panasonic support and resources ends very soon? How about a solution that allows your customers to keep their current devices and supports migration to our devices at their own pace? We can do that and more. Like Panasonic, we are a hybrid solution. We support SIP, IP, digital, and analog devices. And we support next-gen features and apps as well as the traditional ones, so migration to our UCX solution increases capability as well as minimizes cost and disruption. We support most Panasonic devices, including Nurse Call for customers wanting to keep what they have. And we have a portfolio of our own smart XSTEM devices for those needing new telephones. We have over 100 telephony features and apps, including professional call center and wallboard. We support next-gen apps like softphone, messaging, video conferencing, and more. You can support your customers with our on-premise appliances or our cloud-hosted solutions. And everything works with your customers' current Panasonic telephones. For you, the reseller, we provide reliable and incredible live technical support from our North American offices, as well as cost-free training and sales support. And we have true channel partner relationships with our resellers. We believe that your customers belong to you, not us. So you never have to worry about us interfering with your relationships. Want to hear more? Listen to what some of our current partners say about us. You have sold Panasonic solutions. Why did you choose E-MetroTel for Panasonic customers?
Well, with the demise of Panasonic Canada and their business communication systems, we need to look at a company that offered the same flexibility that a Panasonic system had as far as features and functionality. But we were also looking at availability in North America, and also the fact that we wanted it to be aesthetically nice looking. We also had the requirement for our retirement industry to have the ability to function with the two-way communication phones we have in the retirement industry, because that's a major part of our business is the two-way communication phones, and the fact that E-MetroTel system supported the analog telephones was critical to our requirement.
So E-MetroTel has two great solutions for my Panasonic customer base: the Mini that will do up to 64 extensions and the UCX 250. So with the UCX 250, I can take our customers to the next level with Infinity One solution for remote workers and work from home. Or we can use the Mini for basic need customers, but still have unlimited mailboxes, auto attendant, and voicemail to email, and SIP trunking without additional licenses or hardware. And this will also help to avoid business disruption and retraining, as the functionality of the Panasonic phones doesn't change a whole lot.
We noticed a lot of the incumbents have been getting out of the electronic key PBX business. We registered as a dealer and got the demo kit and played around with it. But now that we've got a number of them in, we found that the solution is quite reliable, and the deployments were very easy to put out there and configure, and customers so far have been pretty happy.
Can you tell me the advantage of selling E-MetroTel solutions?
Well, see, the E-MetroTels are easy to configure as far as the sales perspective. The systems are not vast, and they're all very compact. As far as the hardware requirements are required, the models of phones are 3 or 4 models only, which is fine. There's not 12 or 15 models of it available, and we like the fact that the systems gave us the ability to quote a phone system to a small shop or to a large facility that was still growing. 2 phones and 1 line is well fit into a lot of businesses these days because of the pandemic and people are reducing staff and things like that. It was a good idea to have what they call a mini system that was capable of providing service to our small clients. And the Galaxy Expand can fit into our retirement industry, into our large customers. So the line of models available was right in what we were looking for.
Having the ability to reuse existing phones and infrastructure is a huge cost savings for existing Panasonic customer base. I can keep an E-MetroTel system on the shelf in case anything should happen to one of our Panasonic customers' PBX. And then we can quickly swap it out with the new E-MetroTel system and have that customer back up and running right away. And switching the digital phones over to E-MetroTel also avoids having to spend extra time and money upgrading or changing anything on the customer's network.
Customers migrating off of older platforms, if they have compatible equipment, it allows them to migrate that to the E-MetroTel system, and it extends the life cycle of older equipment. Gives them the option to upgrade over time as their budget allows.
How has the support been with your Panasonic migrations?
The people we've worked with at E-MetroTel, we've worked right with the engineers that are designing the integration to Panasonic. We actually provided some phones to E-MetroTel so they could work on the product to get it integrated. I don't know if you knew that part or not, but the integration was in our lab as well as E-MetroTel's lab, as well as in the support lab, and it's been next to perfect as far as I'm concerned, that it's all integrated into the E-MetroTel base using the Panasonic model telephones. It's been fantastic, all the way from the digital phones all the way to the IP phones and anything in between. So the support's been amazing, and the engineers that are designing the product and working on it to make it work and function properly has been great. It really has been.
The support staff is fast at getting back to me with any questions I need answered. And then on the sales side of things, Julia is always quick and knowledgeable to respond to any sales related questions I've had for her as well.
I've been a distributor for just a little over a year now, and I've had to call in for configuration assistance and help. Found Tim and Gus, among others, have been terrific to deal with. For the few times I've had to call in, the solution, it just turns out, is quite reliable and very easy to configure as I become a little more in tune.